and welcome to a tour of the all-new IntelliServe. When you log in, the first thing you'll notice is that the new look is much neater and you can see a lot more of your records than before because we've hidden the menu buttons here under this hamburger icon. Click the icon, the menu will cascade down, make your selection, and the menu will hide itself. We've also changed menu buttons inside job cards, quotes and invoices at the top, again to give you more space on the screen so you can see more of the work that you're working on. You can also rearrange your tables. Right-click anywhere on the table heading row and you can sort the table, change grouping, add or remove columns, build a filter or add a footer. In this example, our footer is telling us how much money is owed to the business for job cards that are not yet completed. We've also improved parent-child recipes in your inventory items so that on a quote you can just load a parent. The client will see one line on the quote, but when you convert to a job card, the job card will unpack that parent item and show your team all of the child items that need to be addressed or packed. We've also added discount categories so that certain clients will get negative or positive discounts. In this example, clients who are landlords will receive 25% discount for items that come from the cleaning category whenever you build a quote, a job card, or an invoice for these clients. We've also put end dates on recurring invoices and job cards so that these will know when to stop sending invoices or job cards for clients at a particular date. You can add them here in your end date field. We've removed many bugs from the system, and as you can see, this has improved the navigating and operational speed of the system. And these are just a few of the upgrades that we've done. If you'd like to learn more about the system, or if you have any questions, please use this new help button, fill in your query, and we'll respond. You can also write to support@intelliserve.co.za to request a more in-depth training on the new version, and we'll assign your nearest agent. Thank you.